First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So this video will be regarding the offline pen drive course. So you guys know that from the previous month we have started giving all my YouTube videos, that is in the mode of offline. So either you can get all my YouTube videos from 2016 in pen drive or else in the SD card, where you can able to watch all the feel free to learn videos without internet, and by using that pen drive you can able to watch all my videos offline. And many students have purchased it and they are utilizing it very well, but many students want to know the complete details about it. And many students were asking like what will be the contents inside the pen drive, and how the all-in-one test package will be activated for free, and when it will be activated, course validity. So there are many doubts that students are keep on asking me in the WhatsApp. But WhatsApp is not actually managed by me, it was managed by my team. And why we are not making a call, because some students asking me to call, like they WhatsApp us, call and say us the details, what will be the contents inside the pen drive. So many students are keep on doing that. But what we now planned is, instead of calling to the random students, right, random students and marketing them to purchase it, it's time waste for us. So what we actually going to do is, only students those who are interested to purchase, so we will be calling them and we will be explaining you that what all the contents are inside the pen drive, and if you get the pen drive, how you will get that all-in-one test package for free. So what we are going to do is, inside the mobile application, right, so open the mobile application. At the bottom you can able to see offline videos, right, offline pen drive videos. So click on it and add to the library. So once you add to that library, so we will call you, right, within a week our team will call you, and our team will explain completely that what will be the content inside the pen drive and how the all-in-one test package, that is 499 rupees test package, will be activated for free. So every details we will tell you. So once if you are interested, so you can click on that 4th or 5th course, that is offline pen drive course, and it will be free. Just add on it and then our team will be calling you. And why we are not making a call to the random students, because some students don't want that, but most of the students they need. But before that they need to know what are all the materials that are inside it. So that's the main reason. So we are making this. And remember one thing, the support that we are giving from Feel Free to Learn, they are working in a different ways. For example, the test series support was managed by Divya, Mrs. Divya, and she was not in India, she was in Canada. And that video content was managed by my brother, he is in US. And only one person, Mano Chitra, who is taking care of the offline pen drive installation, she is from India. So many people were working other than India, because all are my friends, my brothers and family members who are working for it. So only we can't able to make you a call every time and explain everything. So that's the reason we have created this. So if you are interested to purchase the offline pen drive, you want an offer, or you want to know the complete details and you want complete stuff, just install the mobile application. There you can able to find an offline course. So click on it, our team will call you. So thank you so much for watching this video, friends. Bye.